Today, I'll show you this template designed in Excel and fully compatible with Google Sheets to track custody visitations. Throughout the calendar, you can record each request, mark whether it was allowed or denied, and add details of what happened. At the end, the spreadsheet gives you an automatic summary with totals and percentages, making it easy to keep everything clear and organized. This Excel and Google Sheets template works for any year, past, present, or future. You can also choose the month where the calendar starts and even set the first day of the week, making it fully adaptable to your needs. You can fully customize the drop-down lists in this Excel and Google Sheets template to match your situation. By default, the options are allowed and denied, but you can easily change them to labels like Father, Mother, or Coparent 1, Coparent 2. This way, the calendar adapts to any custody arrangement and the way you prefer to document each visit. For each date, simply select an option from the drop-down list, either allowed or denied. You can also add notes and details if needed, like punctuality, school exchange, or any incident. The mini calendar will automatically change color depending on your selection, making it easy to see allowed and denied visits at a glance. And at the bottom of each month, you'll find a summary with totals and percentages. In the Ready to Print tab, you'll find a full summary of the year organized by months. It clearly shows the totals of allowed and denied visits, ready to print, save as PDF, or share whenever you need.